Okay, here now at the Anthony Products booth, I got Joey Salvucci. He's the marketing coordinator for Anthony and also fourth generation in the business for Anthony. So first question for you, Joey. What are some of the initiatives here for Anthony Welded Products in 2025?
So in 2025, we're really focusing on continuing to push our newly expanded asset business. So our cradles, our cages, our pallets, along with our traditional carts, and then our medical business as well. We also have a big expansion project at our southern plant, just trying to reinvest in our infrastructure. So that's really what we're up to in 2025.
Awesome. And what are some of the things that you're hearing from distributors that are affecting how you design your products?
Well, one of our favorite additions that we just integrated into our cages and our pallets is the integrated built-in ramp feature. It's an add-on, but we were getting a lot of feedback from our customers that they wanted an easier way to load their cylinders onto the pallets and the cages. So that was our solution, and it's been really successful. One other thing to note is about 30% of our business is custom, so we are constantly making solutions for our customers, whether it's a small modification or it's like something completely unique. We're happy to do it.
Okay, next question for you, Joey. Is there anything here at the SMC as far as like changes in the product line or anything that you want to specifically highlight for anybody that didn't make it to the show?
So here at the SMC, we're really just showing off our asset business, like I mentioned. Right now, we're really focusing on not introducing any new products. The last 3 years, we really expanded those 3 lines. So we're just kind of focusing on making sure we're optimizing our efficiency, making sure our lead times are as quick as possible, and trying to reduce that bottom line for our customer. We're really proud to be 100% American made. So tariffs aren't really as much of an issue. We don't have to worry about overseas shipping, all those nightmares. So we're really happy to be in this situation right now.
Awesome. There you go. Quick update. Anything else you wanted to say, Joey?
No, that's it. I'm happy to be here.
Awesome. Quick update here at the Anthony Products booth. Shout out to all the Salvuccis at home. Elsie, Sam, Jillian, Mackenzie. What's Jillian's kids?
Theo and Remy.
There you go. Yep. All right. Well, thank you guys for everything that you do for us at GAWDA Media, and it's always good to see you and Nick here and Ed. Shout out to Ed at home too, here at the GAWDA shows. So